Hey everyone, Winnie here. I got something pretty neat to show you. It's the Outask lantern. I have been using it non-stop since they sent it to me for testing, and it's become my go-to for all things indoor and outdoors. This thing isn't just a light, it's like a Swiss Army knife of lanterns. With magnetic legs and this telescoping head, your imagination is the only limit. So let me show you how I use it in my van. I don't even have to open the legs. I just set it on the counter and it lights up the whole place. The head can rotate all the way around, which means I don't need any other lights in here. There are 3 lighting modes: low, medium, high. And on the low setting, they say it will last 65 hours. Medium gives you 20 hours and high about 13.5 hours. Here's how it looks at the different settings. This is how it looks in yellow light mode: low 40 lumen, medium at 250 lumens, and high at 500 lumens. If you double click it, you'll get this SOS flashing light, which is super handy if you are ever in an emergency situation. And if I'm out of space, I can hang it up instead of put it on the counter. This light is so versatile, and I have been using this as my bedside light with the adjustable height, the rotating head, and 6 adjustable brightness to choose from. I can set it up as a general light or rotate the head down as a reading light. I've never seen anything like that before. This light practically replaced all the lights I installed in the van, including my headlamp, and became the #1 light in my van. Outside of the van, it is my work light or just general illumination. The magnetic tripod legs let it stick to any metal surface, but you gotta make sure all 3 legs touch, otherwise it won't hold. I have noticed that when I'm using it for work or filming in low light, the light quality is amazing. It is like daylight but in a lantern form. The folks at Outask suggest you strap it on the side of your backpack. I tried that and it didn't work well. Light source behind and over my head will cast shadow in front of me. Extending the lamp at that length also creates too much movement and not great for hiking. But I got a little hack. If your backpack has a shoulder pouch like mine, this is the best spot. I also adjust the lamp head below my eye level to reduce glare. This position won't cast shadow on your path, and you can adjust the light while walking, and it's right there when you need it. Now, if you are thinking about getting this light, here's what it comes with it. It's listed at $124 on Amazon, which is on the pricier side, but let me tell you why. You get a quick setup guide, a user manual, and the lantern itself in 3 colors, weighing just over £1.5 pounds. It feels premium in your hand, with excellent build quality. It comes with a dynamo rope for hanging, 3 titanium sticks, 4 reflective stickers for the legs, and a USB cable. The attention to detail is amazing, like this little ridge to stop it from rolling off on the slope. The legs pop open with 1 click, which I haven't seen on other lanterns. Now about that telescoping action, it's not just firm, it's impressively smooth. When you pull it up or push it down, there is this feeling of gliding precision with no wobble or shake. Each click of the extensions locks in place with a reassuring snap, ensuring stability at any height. It's like it's engineered for durability and ease of use, making it feel like you are handling something truly high-end. Under this rubber seal, there are 2 USB ports, USB-A for charging and USB-C for recharging. In windy and inclined location, you can use the 3 provided titanium sticks to anchor the legs to the ground for extra stability. I did some testing, compare it to a cheaper knockoff. Even at high setting, the Outask was clearly brighter and the light color was more natural. This lantern came with a very beefy battery. I tested it at high setting to see if it will last as claimed. According to the spec, the light will automatically switch into low settings after 6.5 hours and last another 7 hours. During my test, it exceeded the specification by 13 more minutes. The battery depleted after 13 hours and 43 minutes. If I set it to low setting, it will last more than 65 hours. That's very impressive. This light has a massive 12,000 mAh lithium battery. You can use it to charge your cell phone and USB accessories. I tested the USB ports by charging my iPhone, DJI Osmo and camera batteries, and they seem to work without issues. The voltage was 5.1 volts for most USB accessories. Here's my take on the Outask lantern. It's not just about the light, it's about durability too. Although I haven't put it through a drop test, from the feel of it, I'll bet it will stand up to some rough handling. One thing to note is there is no remote control, so you need to adjust everything by hand. But considering the price, you are getting a premium lantern that outclasses many others in terms of versatility and build. The deployment is fast, the battery life is exceptional, and it feels like it's built to last. For anyone looking for a reliable, high-quality light for camping, van life, or just general use, this is a top contender. I'm definitely taking this on all my future trips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.